Hello everyone. I think it's day 103. I'm actually not sure. And I'm streaming from CashOS, so I'm slowly switching to CashOS from PopOS. Okay, so last one was 102, so this one has to be 103. That one I do not know what it is, but let's delete that. Let's delete this one. And I'm not sure if it's playing. Supposed to play. Oh yeah. Audio 1, 2, 3. And I'm not sure. Audio is here. Let's go on Twitch. Oh, I need to sign up. Ugh. So it's gonna be quite a bit of entering all these passwords. So numlock on my keyboard is always off. I actually never do numlock. Okay, so Twitch is looking good. Okay. Let me go to settings and see what I can do with numlock. So let's turn it on. So CashOS is working fine. There is a one thing is there is a slight stuttering, but I think it's related to currently it's on the USB disk. So I am hoping it's just outcome of USB disk issues. So let's go to the game, right? And so yesterday I tried to refactor the game. Let me close the window. The node graph. So currently node graph is responsible for two responsibility, responsible for hierarchy and for ownership, and I want to separate that. And yesterday I tried to do it for 1.5 hours, and didn't work. There is probably underlying bugs related to the UI subsystem. Or I may be misunderstanding something. So anyways, so we have node, and yes, the streaming experience is not very smooth. I'm not sure why. I'm wondering, maybe because it's of composite, maybe composite is taking away. How I disable composite? It's not disabling. Oh, here we go. So I disable the composite. There's a slight dip on second GPU. And apparently my laptop calmed down as well. No, it's still spinning fans. So this is the process of switching to the new OS, troubleshooting that small issues. I don't think when I was streaming from Pop OS, my laptop was spinning fans like this. I guess cursor is less laggy, so probably I should not use composite. I don't know, everybody, it's just enabled by default, and AI things like composite is good, nom, but anyways. So here we go. Node graph is owning, and what I was trying to do to make it non-owning, and non-owning is used more often, so I called it OBS PTR, stands for observable PTR. It just to make it shorter, and after I change to that, it should just compile. So there is another thing. Oh yeah, there is so many compilation warnings. Maybe I should go through it and take care about them first. So let me terminate. Oh, there is a sound as well. So there is on the compilation. I'm making the sounds and it's not playing sound. Time fail. So there is two sounds. So let me copy them. Mount Virginia Home Mika Bitwig Studio. There is a two sounds fail and ta.bar. So that two sounds should copy to Bitwig Studio. Fixing the compilation errors. So I'm going to delete the directory to force full recompilation. Yeah, compilation failed. Oh yeah. Anyways, let me fix the warnings. STB Warbis. I cannot fix that. Body ID. Not 3D Tour. Equals. I do not remember how to generate tags. Where I can get it? search. Hmm. Hmm. This might be. I do not know if those things are correct versions. This is not the right one. It's because I had sort of auto. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, I do have. Okay, that's good. So this is the one. I should run it not here, but okay. So now I can look at node 3D CPP is invalid. See invalid body ID. Oh yeah, it's in a header. So body ID is invalid body ID. GPH body ID C invalid ID. I guess it's just an empty constructor. So what I can do, I can just bloop, and yeah. So took forever to find out. I have to put two parentheses here. Let's go to compilation screen. So I think all of those are kind of in the same ballpark, missing body ID. So probably better for me to restart compilation. Let's delete that again, and it's probably I'll revert that one for now. Okay, so we are getting errors. CB Warbies. I don't think I can do anything with that. Missing field vSphere initializer. So weird. Why I'm getting all these errors right now? So look, I don't need to initialize it. It should be. Is it? I'm so. It's so weird. Because this one has default constructor. Why it's flagging it? Do I need explicitly initialize it not to flag it? I guess that's better option. So like if I remove that as an okay, you have to initialize it. I don't know, maybe vSphere vSphere. So this is the most of the designate field initialize vSphere 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 vSphere. I guess text missing field text initializer. Label. Bitmap scale. It's not used anywhere. Look, that's good. It's finding bugs. Text. Okay, so let's try again. Yeah, I need to figure out why my laptop is so noisy. Maybe I should set profile to balanced, and it would make it less noisy. Silence initializer. What the heck is this silence? Oh, I switched to balance and my laptop Interesting. And my laptop is quiet now. I do not know what is silence. Oh my god, I need to install Helm stuff. Oh my god, I do not remember how to do it. So I'll use Google for now. Silence, audio buffer silence value. What is this silence? Hey Nick.
Hi.
I'm on CashOS right now. I'm setting up a bunch of stuff. SDL2. Should I put here? Okay. So all these parameters I should whatever you want that, I'll give you that. Necessary for some compile environment. Dot. One samples. Clang format buffer. Clang format is not installed. Okay. Now it says Clang format success. You're lying. Man. Let me restart. Emacs. What? That's a lie. Now it's saying Clang format success, but it's not doing any Clang format. What else I should do? Yeah, I'll ask. Add files. Emacs. Why my Clang format is not working? It reports says full, but it does nothing.
Why is my Clang format not working? It reports it successfully, but does nothing.
If I select the region and press tab, or if I press both ways,
If I select region and press tab, or if I press CXCA, in both cases it reports successful format, but the buffer is not being formatted.
oh my god, stupid. I know what's going on. Okay, I'm going to fix it. Okay. So I have Clang format file on that level, but I did not copy it. So if I do it like this, oh my god, that's it. So clan format fixed. So let me delete that build artifacts and rebuild all again, so to make sure there is no warnings. This is going to be only one warning. I do not know what those three dots it's like why it's compressing that stuff. It's like saying it's not important or something. Compilation error. Bitmap scale. Oh, I deleted bitmap scale. Glyph scale. Okay. So let me rerun it again. rm rf.godot rf chef.godot. Missing field pause initializer. Best. So there is stb vorbis. Pointer comparison always evaluate to false. HPP. Nothing stb.git. So let me look first. Maybe compiler is crazy. I don't think compiler is crazy. GitHub, nothing stb. This Froggy is everywhere. Nothing. Nothings. Nothing's stb. Issues. What a warning. Pointer comparison always evaluates to false. Ah, okay. Nobody fixed it. Yeah, this is the issue as far as I understand.
This is with script in 4.0.3 approximately clang till the 19. As far as I understand it, both overflow check conditions are even undefined behavior 1. Beyond one past end of allocated buffer https://www.openstd.org/jtc 1/sc22/wg14/www/docs/n3220.pdf 6.5.7 additive operators p9 in comparison between pointers that are outside of the allocated object https://www.openstd.org/jtc 1/sc22/wg14/www/docs/n3220.pdf 6.5.9 relational operators p62. Overflow https://www.openstd.org/jtc 1/sc22/wg14/www/docs/n3220.pdf 6.5.7 additive operators p9. Fixes. If lock greater or equal size tf stream end f stream start, however stb vorbis currently does neither include stddiff.h nor currently use size t at all. For my use cases that would not matter, but it might break other users. The result of pointer subtraction would be a signed type, and without the cast to size t, this would result in a signed/unsigned comparison warning. Size t, or an unsigned variant of ptr_diff_t, cannot be named implicitly if lock greater or equal f streamlen. As far as I can see, streamlen is set together with streamstart and streamend in stb vorbis open memory. I can provide a patch for either solution 1 or 2, whatever is preferred. There may be more sloppy/wrong pointer additions and comparisons in stb vorbis. I did not review the whole code for that. Solution 2 is preferred. Please do not call these pieces of code sloppy/wrong. Undefined behavior, witch hunt, is a ruinous effort by C compilers to destroy perfectly useful idioms that were just fine 30 years ago.
Pull request submitted.
Well, they are wrong according to every C standard. The exact same wording was already there in C89 30 years ago. May be the case that compilers 30 years ago did not exploit these guarantees given even by the standard back then. However, that would be really very compiler specific. How these idioms resulted in less readable/intuitive code and a standard compliant implementation. Just look at this example. But then again, that is also just my opinion. I'm happy to agree to disagree on this one. We probably will not convince each other. In any case, this issue should get fixed regardless of our opinions, because Clang miscompiles it in relation to developer intent, as shown by the warning it emits.
Is it merged? Is it fixed? It's still open. Now, what is the help me, right? Okay. So let's smart boys to take care about that warning, and I don't think I have anything else. So it's only that one. Yeah, I just fixed it. So let me rebuild everything again just to make sure everything is clean. What? Oh, okay. Okay, so there is only STB Vorbis, and that's it. Okay, let's see if it's going to run. So what is that? Depends on following URLs. GDB need .gdb init. What's going on? Oh shit. Why it's not rendering anything? I don't think it's pumping. I know. It looks like it's freezing. That's interesting. So just freezing on the here. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I built BGFX wrong. So let's go nuclear option. What AI likes to do. So let's go clean. Let's rebuild everything. I don't think it's rebuilding everything. Oh, I need to do clean all. Come on. Clean all. Querying the package directory will allow you to view install packages and their files, as well as meta information about individual packages. You can run a local package directory, or you can be used on the general. Your database operate the package database on this package. Sync, upgrade files. How to search.
Pacman, how to search pages in the repository.
SS. Search each locality install patch. Multiple search term. Mesotil. It says it's installed. It says XEGL, GLX gears. Okay. It's working. Be right back. there is one more issue. Oh no, it's only one temp file. Yeah, but it's still temp file. Something failed. So maybe wondering if I can find this in the compilation log. No, nothing. And it's still hanging.
My game is hanging on BGFX frame. What can cause it?
You're out of messages. I'm none. I can just switch models. I'm going to save that to some middle 5 GDB long blue. Okay, so apparently I'm hitting the real bug. So I need to fix it properly. Edit scene editor. render resize, render. I did call reset here. Okay, so it recommends to debounce the resize. So let's look how we can do this thing. Render resize. What if I say if new w equals w and new h equals h, return. So what if I do it this way? No. Oh, it's it's called resize only once and still still hangs. Smoking gun. It's like to say this is the smoking gun, blah blah blah. It's not. So if I just say remove vsync, no, it's still hanging. So removing vsync did not help. So what AI says,
I completely removed the resize code, and it is still hanging. so it's not vsync. BGS reset flash under after. So what if I do that? So it's not that. Let me get rid of that. Rid of that. Rid of that.
So it's no rendering, it just frames. I think it's running. Yeah. It's not, it did not hang. Ah. So it is running but not rendering. So I can close it as well, right? No, I cannot close it. Oh. So, but
Stone Python asked, got anything to show yet?
dude, the thing is broken. I have a lot of to show, but currently what I can show you is nothingness.
Very curious about this.
Yeah, it's just a black screen. Yeah, I'm sorry. The thing is completely broken. So the thing is, I'm switching.
What made you want to go no engine?
OS. So I was working on Pop OS and switched to Cache OS. So this is the Cache OS, and for some reason my project is not working on that. It just refuses to render, hanging, and it did work yesterday, but today for some reason it's don't want to do anything. I don't know why. Maybe it's related to OBS, maybe I do not know. Maybe NVIDIA subsystem were not initialized properly. Maybe it's picking up wrong GPU. What made me want to go with no engine? So my previous game I made an Unreal Engine, and there is actually quite a lot of reasons why I decided to go with to ditch the Unreal Engine. So the biggest problem for me it was just constant moving against the grain. So it's the simple things what I want to do takes a lot of effort. For example, the asset pipeline. So if I am making the mesh, so if I do it perfectly, it's fine, but there is a constant iteration. So I made the mesh, for example, and I realized, there is some vertices in the wrong position, or there is a hole in the mesh and I want to close the hole. And in Unreal Engine, I go to Blender, I modified it, and then I have to save it in FBX and then re-import it. And there is, of course, you can do presets and stuff, but there is multiple steps to do this thing, and it just it's not big deal, but then you're doing this thing 10 times every day.
So what's the concept of the game then?
It's kind of accumulates. There is another biggest part of my decision is for my previous game, I kind of bet on the hardware will go better and will become cheaper. So Unreal Engine quite resource hungry engine. So, and it has like a very nice rendering pipeline. It has Nanite, it has Lumen. The render looks beautiful, but I just could not use it because if I want to ship the game for Steam Deck, for example, I have to strip away all this stuff. And baking lights is not first citizen anymore in Unreal Engine, and I had so many issues with baking lights. So I kind of have to figure out how to use Unreal Engine. So like, what is the point? I cannot use Lumen Nanite and as well fight with all these quirks of Unreal Engine. And yeah, I decided to make the game without the engine, and it works quite well. But here's the problem. I decided to switch the OS in the mid of that, and yesterday it worked, and today it's not working, and I do not know what's going on. So what the concept of the game? I have actually public page, and it's game 025 game design document. I can put it in the chat if you want to go to in depth. But
Mika said HTTPS link.
In short, it's action RPG from first person, and the setup is alien came to the Earth, but they were not kind of invading the Earth. They were refugees, and they asked for help, and humanity allowed them to live underneath of the Earth, underground. And they build a city called Karadan. So this is the world building setup, and the story is very kind of benign story, very simple story. That of the protagonist. So either Alar or Alara, depends of. So you can select two characters, female or male character, and that gets sick, and you have to find the cure. And it's action RPG set up from first person. So normally action RPG is top down, but I kind of like the first person setup, and it has all action RPG elements. And plus I wanted to add little bit of survival, and probably I'll do as well farm simulations. Like I'm just smashing all. So my philosophy is overscope, and then while I'm developing, I can find like what is the most fun from the game, and just stripping the scope from the game. And yeah, this is a short explanation of the game. And now unfortunately I can show only black screen because something get broken, and I'm going to interrogate Gemini. So maybe yeah, I don't know. So I'm going to, so let me do that. Mint out the rendering part, and it is not hanging anymore.
I commented out the rendering part, and it is not hanging anymore.
So there is option rebuild BGFX in the debug, but it's I don't know. Yeah, let's rebuild it in debug and see what BGFX would yell at me. So make file release. Debug. Okay, and I think it's gonna trigger it because shader debug is not existing, so it's going to trigger the BGFX rebuild. So that's good. So I don't need to delete anything. It's build system will figure out by itself. But linking part, so I need to debug, 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 debug. Okay. Hey, we got a crash. Uniform type mismatch. Up 6 emission. Where I'm doing only emission, it's only here. So I should look in the shaders. Come on. I think that should fix uniform type mismatch. Type to explain, Still complaining about emission. Where we have no, there is a built-in types. So I put underscore just to see if that's going to fix it. Let's put underscore here. Okay. Okay. Was already set for this draw call. Text color. Okay, that was legit. And now we hanged. So let me start from beginning. So I'm going to clean it up. Run from beginning. There is a hang. So there is a very nice command. It's not here, it's probably here. Thread apply all BT. (25) GDB too long. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's feed it again to
The game hangs, or at least renders nothing. Can you give your analysis?
hit limit. Oh, yeah, here I did hit limit. I know I hit limit. Can still use Gemini. Complex problem solving. I'm just let me see if my system is broken, not my game. So I'm going to try to run something on Steam. Ah. Storage. Add drive. Add drive. What? Texas. Michigan. North Carolina. Let's run that. Compatibility tool failed. So what is set? Yes, it's correct one. So it's not my game broken, right? Yeah, I selected compatibility tool. This one is default one. Proton hotfix. Something happening. Maybe.
Maybe my game is picking up the wrong GPU. I have eGPU RTX 3090, which is the main one, and mobile RTX 2070, and Intel Cont something.
Okay, looks like I was chasing the wild goose. So let's try that. So what line AI was pointing? Your physical device. $2070. Huh. It is not seeing. Ah, no, here we go. Physical device 2. So using physical device. So this is the culprit. Okay. So now it's hanged. I bet just rebooting, but oh man, why it's so painful? I guess I need to reboot. I guess I'll finish my streaming and reboot my laptop and need to try to figure out how to fix that. Yeah, everything just hanging. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is my unsuccessful stream again. Spent 2 hours. Oh. What just happened here? Just fighting with the... Oh, this one is starting. It did start, huh? I mean, you cannot, because our one is completely hanging and I cannot kill it.
What is it now? The dead are rising in droves and...
So, this is... But, logs pointing, it's picking up the wrong GPU. Selected 2070. So it says using physical device 1. I do not know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. Using physical device 1. Here we go. Highlight is very bad, very dim, and it should be 1390. Anyways, thank you for watching and hopefully see you next time. Bye.